thumping on my chest. A million thoughts run through my head. Someday you'll think you're too big to hold. You'll spill milk on my favorite dress, fall down and scare me to death, and you'll refuse to do anything you're told. And I'll be so mad that I'm almost in tears, but you'll smile that smile and they'll all disappear. Yes, sometimes you'll hide your perfect wings, but through these eyes all I'll ever see is that sweet angel of mine. For first grade, or when you go on your first date, and you'll think that I just don't understand. And I know that there'll come a day when you start to push me away, and I'll feel like I'm losing my best friend. So when you want to be out on your own, forgive me if I find it hard to let go. Yes, someday you'll spread your perfect wings, but no matter where you fly, you'll always be that sweet angel of mine. That sweet angel of mine. And I know I'll cry on your wedding day as I watch your father give you away. And I'll bow my head, pray you'll find all your dreams, and thank God every day for giving me that sweet angel of mine. As you lay